Hi, I'm Rosie Townsend. I'm a clinical academic obstetrician in the Centre for Reproductive Health at the University of Edinburgh. My research interest is to understand how babies are developing normally inside the womb and to pick up those babies that are struggling or unwell so that we can intervene and save their lives. Within the Centre for Reproductive Health, I sit within the Pregnancy and Early Life Research theme. So this is a group that brings together people who are discovery scientists, who work in the lab or with animal models or with advanced imaging modalities, with clinicians who are also researchers from a range of disciplines. So we have obstetricians like myself, we have physicians who deal with medical problems like diabetes or heart disease, we have neonatologists who specialise in the care of early babies after they're born, we have midwives as part of our group as well, and we all work together to understand the complex world of pregnancy and early life and how that impacts on all of our health. So the Centre for Reproductive Health has a really strong focus on bringing up the next generation of scientists. So in addition to participating in talk courses, there's been a strong focus in us going out and finding and recruiting people who we know are going to be inspirational scientists for the future. And one really nice example of that is the funding of the first midwifery PhD within the University of Edinburgh. I'm really proud to be the co-supervisor for that excellent candidate. I think it's an excellent example of how we're broadening our remit, bringing in more people who are going to diversify and strengthen the research that we're delivering. I came to the Edinburgh University as a relatively junior clinician and researcher and needed to establish myself as an independent research leader. The mentorship, the formal structures of support in helping me prepare fellowship applications, the collaborations that I was able to develop within CRH were instrumental in making me the person, the scientist and the clinician that I am today. In the Centre for Reproductive Health, the culture is positive, it is collaborative, it is informal at times, but I think that really promotes those little moments when you can spark off each other as scientists and clinicians and realise that someone else has the answer to a problem that's been bothering you for many months. I think we start from a very good foundation, but I hope that we continue to develop that. I want to see continued close working between the clinicians and the discovery scientists as we build clinically relevant but transformational research programmes. I also see that we are starting to build exciting industry collaboratives. We're looking at developing new technology out of the work that we're doing and seeing how we can translate that into clinical practice, and I think this is a really exciting time to be part of the team here in Edinburgh to do that.